morning, everyone. Before starting the event, I would like to everyone to know the real people of diabetes, their problems and challenges faced by them in their day-to-day lives.
मी अरुण जनार्दन कचरे, वय वर्ष 58. मी मुंबई पोर्टल्समध्ये कामाला आहे. शुगरचा त्रास गेल्या 20 वर्षापासून आहे मला.
मैं जगदीश कोठारी बोल रहा हूँ. मेरी एज 58 ईयर्स की है और मुझे 3 साल पहले से डायबिटीज का प्रॉब्लम है.
Medical condition I just face, that is uneasiness and weakness. That's it.
ના જ્યાં સુધી શારીરિક જે પણ બીમારીનો પ્રશ્ન છે એવી કોઈ પણ એપરન્ટ બીમારી નથી. ડાયાબિટીસના કારણે પણ એવી કોઈ એડવર્સ બીમારી જેને કહીએ કે આપણે આઈ રિલેટેડ આંખના બાબતમાં કે કિડની બાબતમાં કે હાર્ટ બાબતમાં એવી કોઈ પણ બીમારી હજી સુધી મને આવી નથી. ફક્ત જે પણ છે એ ડાયાબિટીસ જ છે.
சுகர் லெவல் வந்து கொஞ்சம் ஏறும் இறங்கும்.
मी रेग्युलर औषध घेतो. त्याच्यासाठी शुगरसाठी मी चालण्याचा व्यायामही करतो.
फिलहाल मैं लिविसेव टैबलेट लेता हूँ. उसकी वजह से डायबिटीज एकदम शुगर लेवल कंट्रोल में है और मेरी लाइफस्टाइल में भी कुछ चेंजेस नहीं है. मैं जो पहले मेरी लाइफस्टाइल थी वो हिसाब से चल रहा हूँ. तो टैबलेट कंट्रोल है.
હું ફક્ત એટલે જે મેડિસિન જે ટેબ્લેટ ફોર્મમાં છે એ જ મને આપેલી છે. નો ઇન્સ્યુલિન રિક્વાયર્ડ ટિલ નાઉ.
கோதுமை, திணை, அரிசி மற்றும் காய்கறிகள், பழ வகைகள், அதோட யோகாவும் பண்ணுவேன்.
એક્સ્ટ્રા ન્યુટ્રિશન કે એવું કંઈ લેતા નથી. વાંચેલું ઘણું છે, સાંભળેલું ઘણું છે કે અમુક દેશી ઉપચારો પણ હોય છે, જેવી રીતે મેથી વગેરેના લેવાનું હોય છે, અથવા કારેલાનું કોઈ કહેતા હોય, અથવા જાંબુનું કહેતા હોય છે. પરંતુ એવા કોઈ પણ પ્રકારના એક્સ્ટ્રા હજુ સુધી લેવાની જરૂર પડી નથી. એટલે તો ફક્ત આઈ એમ ટેકિંગ ધેટ જે ટેબ્લેટ્સ વગેરે જે આપેલી છે ડોક્ટરે એલોપેથીમાં એ જ હમણાં.
I get very little time to eat and all that. So during that full time, I feel hungry and I cannot eat that time.
சில நேரத்துல எனக்கு டயர்ட் ஆகும்.
No, because we eat less masalas and all that. That's why there is no separate meal.
சில நேரத்துல ஃபெஸ்டிவல் வரும், பர்த்டே ஃபங்க்ஷன்ஸ்லாம் வரும், அப்ப நான் ஸ்வீட் சாப்பிட்டுடுவேன்.
જે હેપેટાઇટિસ એક કહેવાય છે કારણ કે એક પહેલેથી હેબિટ હોય, પહેલેથી જે નાના હોઈએ ત્યારથી, તો જે ફૂડ હેબિટ હોય એ જનરલી ચેન્જ કરવી થોડીક મુશ્કેલ લાગે. કારણ કે નાના હતા ત્યારે કદાચ જે ફૂડ હેબિટ હતી એની અંદર કદાચ સ્વીટ્સ વગેરે અથવા બીજું જે લેવાનું હોય એ હવે આપણને જ્યારથી ડાયાબિટીસની ખબર પડી છે ત્યારે ઓફ ધ સડન બધું જ મૂકી દેવાનું એ થોડુંક મુશ્કેલ લાગે છે જરા. બને ત્યાં સુધી ટ્રાય કરીને નથી લેતા, પરંતુ 100% કંટ્રોલ ન રાખી શકાતો નથી. ધેટ ઇઝ વન અનફોર્ચ્યુનેટ थिंग.
भले मी एक्सरसाइज करत असलो तरी सुद्धा माझ्या जेवणामध्ये पालेभाज्या, कारली, आहारामध्ये कारल्याचा ज्यूस, मेथीचे दाणे भिजवून खाणे, असा डाएट माझा वारंवार असतो. महिन्यातून एकदा कधीतरी गोड खाण्याची इच्छा झाली तर मी शिरा बनवून खातो. त्यामुळे माझी शुगर थोडीशी वर खाली होत असेल तर ह्याच्यासाठी काय चांगला पर्याय आहे का?
Yes, ma'am.
So you've seen the problems and challenges faced by diabetic patients. The nutrition plays a very important role in to overcome this problem and challenges. So today I'm going to speak about delicious fiber for diabetes. Why fiber is important in diabetes management? As I told that nutrition is play very important role. So what is nutrition first of all? The nutrition is this basic science which they deal with the nutrients and how they behave, how they deal in our body, and how the body use them. Okay, so today we are going to speak about delicious fiber for diabetes. There are basically two types of nutrients, macronutrients and micronutrients. Micronutrients are major part of your diet, carbohydrate, protein and fats. They are the major nutrients. And the micronutrients are vitamins and minerals. They require in very minute quantity in our body, but they play a very big role. They require to digest our micronutrients. For the balanced diet, we require combination of micro and micronutrients. So macronutrients you get from your जो रोटी भाजी सब्जी दाल चावल उसमें से हम लोग को माइक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट्स मिल जाता है. बेसिकली आपका जो फैट होता है, घी होता है, ऑयल में से, एंड द माइक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट्स लाइक विटामिन्स एंड मिनरल्स. Lot of fruits and vegetables contain vitamins and minerals. So the foods which are high in fiber, जैसे fruits होते हैं, vegetables होते हैं, they contain lot of vitamins and minerals. So high fiber food will give you the enough micronutrients in your body. Second जो होता है, the fiber. Fiber is very trendy, delicious, yummy nutrients like wrong. Though fiber is not that yummy, trendy, delicious nutrient, but it plays a very important role in our body. You must have heard, you must have heard before from your parents or from your healthcare providers or from your dietitians, eat more fiber, सलाद ज्यादा खाओ, खाना खाने से पहले सलाद ज्यादा खाओ. तो क्या है ये फाइबर? What is fiber? Okay. Fiber is a complex carbohydrate. It's a type of carbohydrate that cannot be digested or absorbed by our body enzyme. So you will think that it is also called as a roughage. So you will think that when fiber is not digested or even absorbed by our body, then why it is required, right? But though it is not digested, it plays a very important role, and each and every system of our body requires good amount of fibers. There are two types of fibers: soluble, insoluble fiber. So what are soluble fibers? As name suggests, soluble in the water. They form a gel when they mix with the water. They absorb the water and form a gel. They protect against the GI tract around the colon. It was slow digestions and the relief constipations. And insoluble fiber, which is insoluble in the water, it provides bulks to your waste. So less strain or bowel movements. The food will easily pass through your GI tract. For the good health, you require both the fiber, soluble, insoluble fiber in a specific quantity. So variety is the key. Use different fruits and vegetables. So pulses, you get soluble, insoluble fiber enough in your diet. The debunking of myths fiber. There are myths behind the fiber, like fiber is only for the constipations. But no, it has a role, a lot of more this role to play. In ancient times, like आपके पुराने जमाने में तब से चल रहा है कि constipation हो रहा है तो fiber ले लो. I mean, they feel that fiber only for treat constipation or GI problem. बहुत साल से we use isabgol husk or isabgol for the constipations. And there are mainly many illnesses where you require more amount of fibers, which is not possible get through from the food. So we are dependent on some external support or some the commercially available supplements which will give you high fiber content, which good for your diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and increase the immunity. The commonly used supplement is a Pycnium husk, which is called as a Isabgol. Isabgol sabko pata rahega. In fact, my father-in-law, he used to every night as a habit to take Isabgol in the night with the milk. Okay? So Isabgol is a like type of bulk forming laxatives. The Isabgol has some disadvantage, like the consumption depend upon your age and your other health problem. It will absorb the water and it's advisable to take more water, and it may affect the absorption of other medications, other medical problem. The overdose of Isabgol fiber can cause abdominal pain, constipations, and fat gas problem. There are some contraindications where you have to take Isabgol under the doctor's guidance, like it is contraindicated in the hypersensitivity, GI obstructions, fecal infections, acute surgical abdomen, GI ulcerations, and rectal bleeding. So we want something we have to depend on some other supplements or other source of fiber. We have more advantage over this with the less of side effects. So that's the fenugreek seed fiber. The fenugreek seed fiber completely vegan. Second thing, it has a good ratio of soluble and insoluble fiber. Second, it has a good ratio of galactose and mannose ratio is 1:1, which makes it superior in gel forming and absorption property. It's very important point. Fenugreek seeds contain very rare the branched amino acid, that is 4-hydroxyl isoleucine. It has an insulin tropic activity. It means it will increase the insulin secretions and increase the insulin sensitivity. It also has digogesins, which will increase the ability to reduce the thyroid hormone level, increase the insulin sensitivity index. It will effective in cardiovascular disease, oxidative stress, and it will reduce the overall inflammations in the body. The role of fiber in diabetes. The role of fiber in diabetes is very significant because of it has a glucose lowering effect. Now we see the mechanism. The soluble fiber will dissolve in water and forms a gel-like structure. Gel banata hai, and glucose molecule will trap inside the cell. So whenever you are eating some meal, okay, if you eat high fiber diet along with that, so fiber molecule क्या होता है, उसके glucose molecule को it will trap inside the gel-like structure, and glucose table will trap inside the gel. So it will decrease the glucose spike, and glucose will slowly release in the blood, prevents glucose climb, and it reduces the gastric emptying also. So you feel with satiety also. It will reduce, like we usually say that it will, another important role is giving you satiety. Fiber, there are two types of hunger hormones. One is leptin and ghrelin. The leptin will signal brain to stop eating. It will suppress the appetite, and opposite to that is ghrelin. Ghrelin will signal the brain to eat food, to increase the appetite. So fiber will stimulate the leptin hormone with satiety hormone. So when you eat fiber, it will full. For example, अगर हम लोग orange का example लेते हैं, when you eat full one orange, you feel full because it has a fiber also. But when you make it juice, there are 3 oranges or 4 oranges in one glass of juice. But juice doesn't feel you, give you satiety or fullness. Other than because it is fiber. Fiber is not there in the juice, and juice will not require the gate pass. It will directly go in the blood and will release the sugar level. Whereas when we eat the fruit with the fiber, it will bind the glucose molecule and will slowly release in the blood. So it will give the satiety. So it has a sugar control. Second is because of satiety, it has a very good role for the weight loss. Now weight management. So role of fiber is not limited to the diabetes, but it has a more role like weight management for cardiovascular, increase the immunity. Like high fiber foods like fruits, vegetables are usually low in calories. Then the fiber food will give you satiety, fullness, and which alter the secretions of hormones, nutrient absorption in the gut. So overall, leads to weight management is for the weight loss. Increase the, it help to healthy gut. Dietary fiber being, good for your constipations. It makes the stool very soft. So it's very easy pass from the GI tract, easy bowel movements, and prevents the constipations. The cardiovascular disease, because they are some fibers will bind your extra fatty acids and flush them out in the body from before they are absorbed. So reduced both bad cholesterol and overall cholesterol, and definitely will reduce the, that will lead to a reduce the cardiovascular risk. It improves the immunity. Some of the fiber will ferment in the gut, in the microbiota, and they develop short-chain fatty acids, which are lower in pH, provides the good healthy environment for the beneficial bacteria. So if you want to increase the immunity nowadays, due to COVID situations, everybody will say increase the immunity level. So we are taking Kada, we are taking steam, and we have to include the fruits which are high in fiber, will increase the ultimately immunity level. So dietary fiber is one of the superfoods. So now you all are agree with me that fiber is a superfood. Yes, fiber is the definitely one of the superfood. So role of fiber is doesn't limit to the constipation or some GI tract problem. It has a lot of role to play. It has a lot of beneficial effects, and like weight management, healthy gut, CVD management, improves immunity. The growth of good bacteria, reduce the risk of cancer, specifically the colon cancer. So start eating the high fiber foods. It has like to eat necessity, but to eat intelligently is the art. So now taking high fiber foods in your diet, include lots of fruits and vegetables, and which will improve your health. Okay. It's now time to eat rainbow. In the rainy season, you must have seen the rainbow, but now you have to eat a rainbow. So how you can eat a rainbow? You don't have to eat the rainbow, but you have to eat the fruits and vegetables, colorful fruits and vegetables which look like rainbow color. Our plate should be look like rainbow colors. The well-balanced diet include all the groups. The cereal, pulses, milk and wheat products, and lots of fruits and vegetables. So your plate will look like more colorful. The colorful foods like fruits and vegetables contain phytonutrients, functional foods. The functional foods will provide, increase your immunity level, detoxify your body, and reduce the inflammations. They are potent phytonutrients, antioxidants, don't require any detoxified juices. If you eat enough fruits, colorful fruits and vegetables in your plate. So color indicates specific nutrients. Each fruit has specific nutrients that has a specific role to play, like yellow, orange color fruits are high in vitamin C and A, which increase the immunity level. The green fruits and vegetables are high in vitamin K, B, E. They contain the chemicals like sulforaphane and isocyanate. They also contain indoles, which will help for cancer to inhibit the cancer cells. Purple foods, like nowadays you get the season of jambu. Jambu is good for diabetes also. The purple foods contain anthocyanin, which are very good phytonutrients. And the white foods like garlic has a good flavonoids like quercetin and camphophyrol, which is different against your damage, improve immunity. So we usually say take a good amount of garlic, which increase the immunity level. Okay. So color is the language of plant kingdom. So be sure to incorporate variety of colorful plant foods in your diet and color yourself healthy. Thank you. You can take, it will not interfere with your medications.
Okay. Ma'am, what is
one thing? If you take high fiber diets, don't take the medicine like calcium along with that or iron along with that, because it will high fiber diet will hinders the absorption of iron, absorption of calcium medication. So don't take along with the meal.
Okay. So, like if I am following any traditional intake, and I am on diabetes medications, so is it safe to consume fenugreek fiber?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
But you have to monitor your sugar levels. So with this traditional medicines like fenugreek fiber or other medicines, if you are getting good results, your sugar may go down. So time to time you have to check your blood sugar level, and if sugars are going very low, then you have to consult your doctor and modify your medications.
अच्छा अच्छा, ये जो ड्रिंक है फेन्यूग्रीक फाइबर ड्रिंक है, ये फुलनेस कितने टाइम तक देगा? जब हम लेंगे इसको, ये कितने टाइम तक फुलनेस वाला फीलिंग देगा?
Now we are telling like diabetic patients you eat every 2 hours, 3 hours. Okay, पहले के लोग इतना नहीं खाते थे. They only have a breakfast, they have a lunch, and they have a dinner. Okay, so now also we say that you have 3 major meals. And when you are with diabetes or you're taking insulin, then you have in between the meals. Okay? So if you take a fiber, आराम से 4-5 घंटे तो आपको भूख नहीं लगना चाहिए.
Okay. So
And
the
along
next
with the
question
fiber,
is,
along with the fiber, like along with the good amount of proteins also, it will give you more fullness and all the vitamins and minerals from that.
okay. So can this be used as a prebiotic?
Yeah, you can use a prebiotic, but if you ferment that, it will increase. I mean, fenugreek fiber you can ferment or you can sprout that, then it will increase the prebiotic content.
ओके, तो ये जो ड्रिंक है, ठीक है, ये डायबिटीज लेवल या बोल सकते हैं हाई शुगर लेवल को कैसे मेंटेन करेगा?
Definitely, because of high fiber content, the benefits which are already explained, that it will reduce the glucose spike, fullness, satiety. Because of these factors, definitely sugar level will come down. And when you eat like the high fiber foods or fenugreek supplements, the fenugreek is again good source of protein. That is 25% protein and good source of omega-3 fatty acids. Okay, so with this also, especially for vegetarian people, they don't have fish, so it will good source of omega-3 fatty acids and good amount of proteins, good amount of fiber. Will reduce the glucose spike. The fiber will reduce the craving also, sugar craving. So
अच्छा, ये जैसे बोल सकते हैं कि like there are many working women, okay, जो as we have seen the patient experience also, जैसे लोगों को टाइम नहीं मिलता है बिकॉज ऑफ खाने के लिए, उनका एक फूड बोल सकते हैं जो लंच टाइमिंग है वो स्किप हो जाता है या डिले हो जाता है. सो व्हाट इज द टाइम डू यू रिकमेंड? हम फेन्यूग्रीक फाइबर कौन से टाइम पे ले तो बेटर होगा फॉर सच वर्किंग वुमेन, यू कैन से?
I will suggest should be like it's a fiber supplement, so it's not like it will not feel like पूरा पेट भर गया, ऐसे नहीं होगा. Okay, so I will recommend before meal all.
Okay.
Okay, and during this time like traveling करते हैं या जो भी है, it is very difficult to carry a 3-4 डब्बाs. So if you say एक डब्बा सलाद का लेके जाओ, एक डब्बा दाल का लेके जाओ, so it's very difficult. So if they take small amount of salads and they take the 1 teaspoon, I mean it's very carryable. You can keep in your office also. So before lunch time, you can just take that spoon with water, fenugreek fiber. So your fiber quota is done.
Okay.
It's
So
difficult to carry in the trains also. If you say कि कोई किसी को बोले कि आप 4 डब्बा लेके जाओ, तो वो लेके नहीं जाते.
मैम, ये फाइबर लेने से वेट रिड्यूस होगा क्या अलोंग विद शुगर कंट्रोल?
डेफिनेटली, बट सिर्फ ये फाइबर लेने से और शुगर कंट्रोल से नहीं, इट हैज अ प्रॉपर weight loss plan. There has to be some physical activity. Definitely it has a very good role. I mean, ये fiber supplements with physical activity, with proper balanced diet, definitely weight loss, it will help in weight loss.
Okay. The next question is, yes, do you recommend like for what age you can say you recommend this fenugreek fiber drink?
I think there's a no
Above,
age,
yeah, above 18, like for the adults as well as the
adults,
older
and
one.
for the, yeah, so you can, I mean, there's no age bar in fenugreek seeds fiber. I mean, in
Yeah.
fact, fenugreek will be like very ancient time we are using for many other problems than this. For PCOD, we are using fenugreek seed powder. Lower back pain, we are using. For menstruation problem, we are using this fenugreek seed fiber. I mean, fenugreek seeds, usually patients soak in the night and then take in the morning.
Yeah.
So there's a lot more benefit beyond diabetes, cardiovascular diseases. Okay, and when you take like what the use of powder form, when you take seeds, if you take 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoon of seeds, okay, and then you make a powder of that seed, the content is very less. Okay? And with the seeds also, some patients may get some GI problem, gases, acidity. So it is a powder form, it is more easy, convenient, and usually it is a debitterized powder, right?
Yes, debitterized.
Debitterized. So patient will not feel that bitter taste.
Yes.
So the palatability will increase. And sometimes if you don't want to take this, you can just, with the powder form, so you can just mix in your dal. 1 teaspoon of this fenugreek seed powder, you can just mix in your dal. If you don't want to take like this, it will also help you.
We have shown the jelly form also. Like
Yeah,
once
you
in
can
drink,
take jelly form also.
एक बार हम drink बनाएंगे, after
Yeah.
you can say a few seconds, it forms a jelly. So we can consume the jelly also.
You can consume the jelly also. So it's a fiber. So if you want, there are my one patient is using, if she wants to make chapati. So she in a one she usually have 2 chapatis. So in her this atta, she add 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seed powder, and then she make a chapati.
Okay.
So her
So because of the we have come up with some orange flavor, a tangy delicious orange flavor. So the you can say the taste, which is very patient compliance. It is good having a drink and a jelly form as well.
yeah, palatability will increase.
Palatability will increase. Ma'am, what else diet do you suggest apart from like fiber and proteins? Like, you know, in the evening period, now being this, you can say we are facing the lockdown because of the COVID situation, correct? Yes. So what else diet do you suggest during the evening times? There are, you know, food cravings. People are working from home. So what diet do you will recommend?
Usually this is a rainy season. Now yesterday everybody like wants vada pav, bhajia, some kurkure, you know. But if you are suffering from, I mean, if you're having diabetes or some cardiovascular disease or a hypertension, or you are looking for a weight loss, PCOD, don't go for this. Instead of this, you can use roasted chana or 1 handful of groundnuts, or you get makhana. But you take pure, I mean, the unflavored makhana. Don't buy any flavored makhana.
Okay.
Okay. So that you can use if you want to have like this vada. You can make it home also. Okay. Instead of this, you can make a vada with less potatoes, and you can add some vegetables like pumpkin, some which is very like gravy. I mean, the bulky. It will give a bulk. Then you can, instead of frying, you can use appa. This, you know, appa when you make appe. So it's then we can don't use the oil.
Yeah.
Okay? So you can try that variations if you want. But chana, roasted chana, sukha bhel, you can just crush your khakra in that, or fruit. Fruit
Okay.
along with the nuts, fruit along with the chana, or you can have 1 bowl of paneer. Will reduce the craving.
Okay, ma'am, compared to the traditional methods which diabetic people are following, like you may say traditional methods हो गए, जैसे करेला का जूस हो गया, जामुन का सीड पाउडर हो गया. Compared to all these methods, how is the phenolite drink more beneficial?
See, the Karela, there are so many studies. Karela is helpful, Jamun is helpful, but you need good amount of Karela to reduce your sugar level. And if you have that Karela, I mean, Sorla is bitter. So there are patients, they may land up to loose motions.
Yeah.
And after you eating one full glass of Karela juice, your taste is so altered, you cannot have anything else.
Yeah.
So, and Kerala in Jammun, you can do, I mean, you can't use for longer period of time. If you take it for 5-10 days, it's fine. Then you don't have to have that continuously daily morning Karela juice. Okay?
Exactly.
Okay.
तो
So
फेनुग्रीक फाइबर इनसे कैसे बेटर है बोल सकते हैं?
Definitely fiber, fenugreek fiber, it has a, I mean, good for diabetes, definitely for CVD, but it has a lot of other role, important role to play, right? It's a good amount of protein. It has a good combination of soluble, insoluble fiber. So you get advantage
you mean you get the right content which is
of
being needed
soluble
for your
and
body.
insoluble fiber.
Yes.
So you
Yes.
have a many role because of it's a mixture of good soluble, insoluble fiber. There are many other illnesses which I mean the fenugreek will tackle.
Yes. So जैसे कि अपने फेनुग्रीक फाइबर में गैलेक्टोमेनिन फाइबर जो है,
Yeah, it's a ratio
एक serving में, yeah.
-1 to 1, which
yes,
is the highest good very ratio.
which is needed for our
only
body.
fenugreek.
Yeah. Yes. So that is how it becomes like the right content is being
Right,
delivered to
content
your
of
body.
soluble and insoluble is very important.
Yes. And also palatable in taste, also easy to
Definitely.
yeah. Ma'am, one more question. Can you specify on saponins and fiber? Like,
It's like the bioactive steroids, the digoxin. It has a very good, it's an insulinotropic activity which will increase the insulin sensitivity, increase the insulin secretions, and many other role like it will alter the thyroid hormone balance between the balance of thyroid hormones. So it has an active saponins.
okay, ma'am, why should we shift from fenugreek to phenolite? Like the fenugreek seed to fenugreek, this fiber, phenolite.
I said before also, it's very, when we take fenugreek seeds are very, definitely fenugreek fiber is from fenugreek seeds only, right? But daily आपको बोलेंगे रोज एक चमचा आप fenugreek seeds लो एक चमचा, then you will do for 1 week, 10 days, 15 days. उसके बाद हम लोग करते नहीं हैं, because sometimes you forgot to soak in the water. Okay? Unavailability, so many things are there, and when you take powder form, it is very easy to take. And with the seeds also, there are some getting some GI problems, gases, constipations, acidity. So when you make it in a powder form, it is more digestible.
Okay.
Okay? And this is definitely debitterized. So people usually, easily can take it.
Okay. So, ma'am, one more question. Like, as compared to fenugreek capsule, how fenugreek fiber, this drink is superior?
So usually patients like capsule will think as a medicines. Okay, and they don't want to take medicines. They want to take something
Capsule.
very capsule. So they
पसंद नहीं आते, हाँ.
पसंद नहीं आता, and they always कि हाँ कुछ traditional होना चाहिए. Patients हाँ when we meet clients, our patients, हाँ I started methi seeds. तो कुछ तो उनको घर का चाहिए.
हाँ.
When you transfer in the capsule form, they think this is medicines. And the capsule again, when you have some GI problem, the capsule is not recommended because the capsule will broken down and then ultimately powder will release. Capsule is just a coated ones.
Yeah. So like बोल सकते हैं fenugreek fiber constipation में help करेगा?
Yeah, definitely, it will help in constipation.
Okay, so how is the safety profile in renal and insulin type 1 diabetes patients?
The renal, we have to say the potassium level of fenugreek. If you have CKD and if your potassium level is very high, we have to see the potassium level of fenugreek this powder. And for type 1 patients, definitely, because it is a debitterized, the patient will not feel that bitter. Okay,
Yes.
so they can take it. and they have like they require total depend on insulin. So if you food usually when sugars are high for type 1 patient उनको भूख बहुत लगता है, so they tend to eat more food. Okay, so अगर हम लोग उसको tangy drink देंगे तो appetite will full, they feel satiety and they eat less.
Yes. Okay, so the next, yeah ma'am.
Flavor, orange flavor, so they will like it also.
Okay. So yes, try करना है. Yeah. Orange flavor. Yeah. Ma'am, what is the difference between जो fenugreek market में available है, fenugreek brands which are available in the market as compared to this fenugreek fiber?
I'm not aware about, but actually it is not debutterized.
Yes, other brands are not debutterized,
and our is definitely debutterized.
Yes.
So the taste makes a difference.
Yeah, and even we are giving जो 5 gram का serving है. Yeah, giving the whole right content. 5 gram serving में जा रहा है अपना, जितना फाइबर जाना चाहिए, intake होना चाहिए, तो seeds से नहीं मिल रहा है मैम.
And it depends upon the method of preparation also. So that also makes the difference.
Okay. So can I consume the jelly form with any other you can say fruit हो गया या कुछ, या सिर्फ jelly मैं consume कर सकती हूँ? जो jelly बनता है end में, ठीक है? So you can just have that jelly, or I can have that jelly with some fruit or nuts, you can say.
See, if you are having as a midday meal, if you have like around 11 o'clock between breakfast and lunch, or around 5 o'clock, then you can combine with the fruits or nuts.
Okay.
But if you are having with the lunch, then don't combine with the fruit. Then
and dinner,
lunch or dinner. Then don't combine with the fruits. But if you have a midday meal, so you can have.
You can say in the evening, I can consume.
You can have the consume fenugreek this seed drink, and then one fruit which will be full. Like you could have craving like for vada pav, samosa, or kurkure.
Yes.
So you can use that.
So, ma'am, yes, there are even capsules which are available for weight management. Weight management, weight के लिए आज बोलते हैं ना, आज के टाइम में, आज के पीरियड में, like people are working from home, people are having lots of food cravings बोल सकते हैं, and because of those food cravings, people are gaining weight. Like we all are tend to have some or the other thing in the evening. बोलो evening का snacks time हो गया, morning after breakfast also. So weight is a major issue. Now, there are a number of like capsules also available in the market. So when you compare to these capsules of weight management, how fenugreek fiber is beneficial over here?
See,
ये जो अपना product है, ये कैसे benefit, मतलब इसका benefit क्या होगा capsules को अगर हम compare करते हैं तो? बाकी के जो बहुत सारे weight loss capsules बोल सकते हो आप.
See, weight loss capsules अगर वो fiber का है तो definitely our fiber is much better. But the weight loss capsules, they have a green coffee beans, white coffee beans and all. So they may be helpful for suppress the appetite. But yes. I don't know the effect of for longer period of time. This weight loss capsules. Okay? And we don't advise everybody to take weight loss capsule. जितना possible है उतना diet exercise से ही करो. अगर नहीं होता है, then you take it. I mean, then you second stage, third stage is medication. But try to achieve from your diet itself.
Okay.
So fenugreek fiber is a part of your diet. It will just provide, I mean, pure fiber supplements. Other medication is added.
Okay, मैम ये लेप्टिन और ग्रेलिन जो हॉर्मोन्स आपने बताए, तो आप ये बता सकते हो क्या एग्जैक्टली मतलब ये हर एक के बॉडी में लेप्टिन और ग्रेलिन कैसे काम करता है?
See, लेप्टिन जो है, it will decrease your appetite or suppress your appetite. Okay?
मतलब भूख कम लगती है लेप्टिन?
भूख कम लगती है नहीं, जल्दी भर जाता है पेट.
अच्छा, ओके.
You don't want more. जिसका लेप्टिन जो है कम रहता है, next like after eating 5 chapati still you are hungry.
Yes.
Okay? And when you are empty stomach, you are fasting, your ghrelin will increase your appetite.
Yes.
Okay, तो ज़्यादा भूख लगता है.
हाँ.
So the fenugreek fiber will activate the leptin hormone, will suppress your appetite. So overeating कम होता है.
हाँ.
So if you take fiber supplements and then you have small, take 1 bowl of protein or 1 bowl of dal or curd, then only 1 chapati with vegetables, then you have a glass of buttermilk, you are full. Because
Yes.
the fiber will activate the leptin hormone.
Okay.
It signals the brain, या पेट भर गया है, अभी कुछ खाना नहीं है.
Okay. Yes.
Okay?
Yes. The next question I would like to ask is, ma'am. Yes, जैसे आपने बताया type 1 and type 2 diabetes दोनों में भी both it has been recommended in right? And what about those people who are not having diabetes? Can they have this fenugreek fiber?
Definitely, and the PCOS is very good for PCOS because same is the insulin resistance is there. For weight loss also, it is recommended. And the main role of fiber is for constipation. So you have some GI problem or constipations, you can take this fiber.
Yes.
So other than this, you have a lower back pain, it will increase the immunity level. It will reduce the menstruation cramping. So during those days, you can increase, you take fenugreek seed fiber will help. They are, I tried in my patients continuously, if they are taking 3 months, the fiber supplement or fenugreek seed fiber, like the 4th month after they reduce like 50 to 70%, they reduce the menstrual cramping, the lower back pain.
Okay. Yeah. I thanks dietitian Shetty for your valuable insights. Now the wait is over, and here I am be presenting you the healthiest, tangy, delicious alternative to just beat your food cravings.